Body, a journey through naked yoga. Our bodies are our temples, they are the vessels we navigate life with. Naked yoga, or nude yoga, is a unique way to appreciate and connect with our bodies, as we are in our most raw and natural state. Imagine feeling the gentle breeze caressing your skin as you stretch and pose. There's something empowering about standing in your truth, free from societal demands, free from the constraints of clothing. Naked yoga is that space of freedom. Each pose, each breath you take, is a celebration of you. It's about accepting and loving every inch of your body. It's a journey that begins with self-confidence and ends with self-love. Let's begin with a simple breathing exercise. Feel each breath as it enters and leaves your body. This connection with your breath is the essence of yoga. It's a reminder that you're alive and vibrant. Next, we move to the mountain pose. Stand tall and proud, just like a mountain. Feel the power and strength running through your body. Embrace the reality that you are perfect just as you are. Now, let's flow into the warrior pose. This pose is not just about physical strength, but also about emotional courage. It's a reminder of your resilience, your ability to endure and overcome. As we transition to the tree pose, let's focus on balance. Just as a tree stands tall and rooted no matter the weather, so can you. Feel the stability in your body and your life. Up next is the downward dog. This pose is about perspective. Just as a dog views the world differently, so do you when you're in this pose. It's a reminder to always keep an open mind. Now, let's take pose. This is your safe space, your haven. It's a moment to reflect and understand that it's okay to take a break when you need to. As we wind down, we move into the corpse pose. This pose is about letting go. Just as a corpse has no worries or stresses, so can you be free from your burdens. Finally, we conclude with a simple meditation. Close your eyes and just breathe, feeling the energy flowing through you. This moment is for you, a reminder that you are important and loved. Naked yoga is a journey, a beautiful exploration of self-love and acceptance. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey with us? Embrace your body and let's begin.